Hello, my YouTube family. We're here with Skipper Drones today, and I will be beginning a new series build. And today, I'm bringing you guys a quick mail call, to share some of the things I got in lately with you guys. The first thing I got is the Dow RC 40 amp ESC. I like this ESC. This is a very nice ESC. Never had any trouble with it. But this is the Dow RC engine 40 amp ESC. I also have here the Dow RC F405 flight controller. This is a nice flight controller. Both of them comes with the rubber grommet, so you can soft mount the flight controller, and you can soft mount the Dow RC ESC. We also have here is the Foxeer Predator Mini. Now, I've dealt with a lot of micros. Majority of my quads have micros. This is the first mini I have here, but this is the Foxeer Predator Mini. Foxeer makes some nice cameras. I like them a lot. So I'm kind of like stuck on them. Alright, we also have a Woof Whoop VTX. I like these. These are about $19. They are very nice. Smart audio. We also have here for this build is the FR Sky RXSR receiver, S-bus receiver. I like these. I also have here in the package they sent me was a sticker. So that's pretty nice. I might put it on a Tyranny somewhere. Alright, I also have here some LED strips. I'm thinking about putting those on the arm, or maybe just on the back of it. We got those in. This is the frame I ordered. It's the FlyWoo. Woo, let's fly. These are some new frames here, and they are pretty nice. You got a nice box they come in. Bunch of instructions, and we'll get into that later when I do the review on this frame. So this is why I think I'm gonna name this video Pimp My Drone. And you will see why when I do the review. But this frame here, they give you a Kevlar battery strap. You get 4 arms, a frame. So we're gonna see how she flies. And this frame is a FlyWoo. It's called the FlyWoo Crab. I'm sorry, you guys. It's a 5-inch. It's a 22mm frame kit. But I was gonna break it all down for you guys when I do the review on this frame here. Very nice frame. Alright, what else we have here? We have motors. These are also sent to me by FlyWoo. These are 2306s, 2750 kV. And now you're about to see why I say I'm probably going to name this quad here. They give you the motor screws and cap. You see these motors, you guys? Gold plated. I have 4 of these. They feel nice. But yes, I have 4 of these. This is also going in the bill. So yes, that is it, you guys. But this is going to be my next build, the FlyWoo. They frames are pretty reasonable. Well, they motors are. This is the first time I'm checking these out, so I'm gonna see with the Dial RC engine how smooth they are. And you guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, hit that thumbs up for me, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. That helps my channel out a lot, and I appreciate it. I appreciate everybody for viewing my video, and I will see you guys on the next one. I'm Skipper Drones, and I'm out.